Here's how to get the most out of Kittl to level up your Etsy sales with better product visuals and AI videos. In this project, you can see two areas. One, to create videos from your current product photo, and another to level up your product image before you generate a video. On this side of the template, all we have to do is place our product. In this case, it's a t-shirt, but we have many other product templates, and then simply hit regenerate on this AI image board. And just like that, I have a polished product image. Feel free to tweak the prompt down here if you want to make changes. Then all I need to do is select each of the AI video boards and hit regenerate down here in the prompt box. And now I have unique video options that I can use for my thumbnail on Etsy. We also have full listing templates in Kittl where you can do the same thing I just showed you, but develop more listing photos and provide helpful detailed information like color variants, sizing charts, social proof, as well as social content that's ready for you to simply add your new product video and post on Instagram or Pinterest. Like I mentioned, there are more video templates to choose from for a variety of products, so choose the one that's best for you.